Hello mga kapapski. Okay. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa yung graduation ng aking anak na grade 6. So eto, puntahan natin ha. Tara. Silipin natin. Okay.
This juncture, let us be emboldened with the great graduation message from Prince Marcos E. Concepcion. Hello everyone, I'm Prince Marcos Concepcion, graduating as valedictorian, and I would like to welcome you all today on this big day.
Mega love shout out Travel Team Vlog, Mother Kicker, Duck Nodes. Di ba? Ayan na, ito na mga kasamahan namin dito kami magse-celebrate ng ewan dito sa All For You. So what happened to you? Kain na with Travel Team Vlog. Diba? Mega love shout out. Yan Team Kapop, sana dito kasama namin si Duck Nodes, si Mother kasama din namin, at saka si Travel. Ayan At saka itong mga to. Ayan, yung mga graduation.